Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a dramatic market. So yesterday also the market fell, recovered, and today also market fell and recovered. Okay, let us look at some important things. During the last 1 month, in the May series, Nifty broke 23,300 only once. But that was an intraday break. On the same day, Nifty closed actually above 23,400. Same thing was yesterday. Nifty broke 23,300 and then Nifty closed above 23,400. And today, once again, Nifty broke 23,300. Not only broke 23,300, in fact, it broke 23,200 also. The markets were so bearish in the morning. Reason, number one, FIIs have sold for 8,000 plus crore. And number two, IT stocks came under selling pressure. TCS was about to go for a lower circuit of 10%. It went up to 9.5, 9.6%. And it was a brutal sell-off in IT stocks. Only last 2 days, there was some recovery in IT stocks, but today, everything got wiped out. So FII is selling these IT stocks. Then there was some news that US is planning to increase the tariff against India by 12.5%. I think that was the main issue. Indian government, trying to paint a picture, that 99% agreement is over, only last 1% is there, so very soon the Indo-US deal is likely to happen. So this is the news that we have been getting for the last few days from the government side, but suddenly this 12.5% increase has come as a shocker. So our market is already fragile, and when this kind of news comes, the market tend to fall. The Bank Nifty, it went very close to 53,000. I thought it will break, but luckily it has not broken. But from intraday low, the Bank Nifty has shot up nearly 1,300 points. And probably ahead of the RBI policy, the people do not want to carry short positions. So they were looking at right opportunity to square up the shorts. And yesterday, from day's low to day's high, Nifty went up 370 points. From yesterday's high to today's low, it was down more than, I think about 400 points, I think. And then there was a dramatic recovery. Yesterday also the recovery came after 12:30, and today also the recovery came after 12:30. But today's recovery is even more ferocious than yesterday's recovery. At least yesterday's recovery, there was no significant increase in the premiums. And today, let me tell you, at some point of time, Nifty was down by 50-60 points, but the 24,000 call option, yesterday it closed around 41 rupees and today it was trading around 60 rupees. At 20 rupees higher, but the Nifty is down. The fact is that the Nifty is down. And the put prices did not come down much, but call prices shot up like anything. At some point of time, the India VIX was more than 9% higher. So yesterday it was 7% lower and today 9% higher. So that's a very, very terrible thing that can happen to the market. And finally, in the last half an hour, there was some kind of a cool off in the premium. So that 24,000 call from around 60 rupees, it has come down to 34, 35 rupees. So it was all kinds of drama is going on. Remember, 23,300 is a support. That support has already been broken 3 times. The more number of times the support is being broken, then that support becomes the weaker and weaker support. So maybe one bad news, markets can slide faster. So let us hope that does not happen. in the near future. Otherwise, our market, I think we have already discussed. China, Taiwan has overtaken our market cap. South Korea has overtaken our market cap. And UK has overtaken our GDP data, total economy. So things are not really looking very good for us. And when was the last time you have seen a blue chip stock like TCS falling 9% without any reason? There was no reason at all. And Infosys and TCS both were more than 5% yesterday, and they both have fallen more than 5% today. IT index, which went up nearly 5% yesterday, today everything got wiped out. So Reliance also did not support the market today. So it was the Bank Nifty that supported the market today. So looking at the open interest, there's a huge addition of open interest at 23,500 call as well as 23,500 put. The combined premium is about 400 rupees. So 400 rupees premium, that means, Nifty is likely to settle down between 23,100 and 23,900. So that works, more or less the range that we have set for this week is 23,000 to 24,000. So maybe 100 point, if the market goes higher, these people will sell additional put. Market comes down, these people will sell additional call, thereby collecting at least 100 point premium. So that, the total they will have about 500 point premium. So as long as Nifty is not breaking 23,000 on the downside and it is not crossing 24,000 on the upside, so these people will be making some profit. But however, a caution, I would advise you not to trade in the short-term options. Like today also, one of brokers, terminal, some news came, the central government is seriously considering reducing the long-term capital gain tax and this and that. Of course, these brokers, they send these messages. When the market shoots up, they will send positive messages. When the market falls, they will send the negative messages. And there is no source, nothing like that. But this news has already been there. But when the market is at the lowest level, and as I told you, the police will come in the climax only. So the climax of the fall, if that happens during the next few days, then who knows, over the weekend, something can come up. So that will be a big problem. So if you sell in the short-term options. Today I posted in a social media, some strategy and not to keep it in the short term and to keep it in the long term. So those who are interested may look at my Twitter handle. It is time to be cautious. There are two uncertainties now. One is the Iran-US uncertainty, and another one is what government is going to do, something positive for the market. So until then, avoiding short-term trades is good. Maybe you can play intraday, but intraday also the market, look at today, Sensex at some point of time fell more than 1,000 point, then recovered 700, 800 point. So huge intraday moves, even the Bank Nifty also like that. So making even intraday trades very, very difficult. So we will see what's going to happen in the next few days. So let us hope that even if government announces something, they do announce during the market hours so that we can keep a stop loss, we can exit. And that's what they have done in 2019, Nirmala candle. So it was announced during the market hours. If it was announced on a Saturday or Sunday, then Monday, huge gap up. So things would have gone very, very bad. So with that expectation only, still the call premiums are higher than the put premiums. So let us see what's going to happen in the next few days. And hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.